In this video, you will be discovering the very best long-term care insurance plans for seniors in 2026. So, stay tuned because you will be getting the most updated, well-researched information you won't find nowhere else. Before we dive in, if advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for bringing you this honest, valuable information for free. Now let's continue. Picture this. You're in your senior years. You've worked hard, you've saved, and you're ready to enjoy a comfortable retirement. But then a sudden health event, a fall, a diagnosis, changes everything. The costs of long-term care skyrocket. We're talking over $120,000 per year for a nursing home in 2026. Your retirement savings, the nest egg you plan to leave your family, could be gone in just a few short years. Don't let this nightmare become your reality. This video is not just about insurance. It's about protecting your legacy and your peace of mind. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Stay with me until the very end, because the most crucial information, the type of policy that could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars, is something you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is becoming more and more critical for financial planning in 2026. Long-term care insurance plans for seniors. We're going to break down the complex world of long-term care insurance policies into simple, easy-to-follow steps. We'll explore the different types of coverage, the latest costs, and most importantly, how to find the very best long-term care insurance policy that fits your specific needs and budget in this current year. Let's start with the basics. Part 1. Understanding the landscape of long-term care in 2026. First, let's get some hard facts out of the way. The cost of long-term care in 2026 is not what it was even 5 years ago. According to the latest data, the median annual cost for a private room in a nursing home is now well over $120,000. For an assisted living facility, you're looking at over $72,000 annually. And even in-home health aid services, which many people prefer, are now averaging over $80,000 a year. These are massive numbers. And here's the most sobering statistic. A staggering 70% of people over the age of 65 will need some form of long-term care in their lifetime. That's a majority, not a minority. So, what does this mean for you? It means that relying on your savings or your family to cover these expenses is a huge gamble. Medicare and standard health insurance plans offer very limited coverage for long-term care, often only for short-term skilled care after a hospitalization, not for the custodial care that most people require for things like bathing, dressing, and eating. Medicaid can help, but it requires you to deplete most of your assets first, which is exactly what we are trying to prevent. Part 2. The two main types of long-term care insurance. This brings us to the core of our discussion. The two main types of long-term care insurance. Understanding the difference between these is the first, most important step in your search for the best long-term care insurance for seniors in 2026. 1. Traditional long-term care insurance. This is the classic standalone policy. It's designed for one purpose: to pay for long-term care services when you need them. Think of it as a specialized tool for a specific job. You pay a monthly or annual premium for as long as you have the policy. When a triggering event occurs, like a diagnosis of a cognitive impairment or the inability to perform 2 of the 6 activities of daily living, or ADLs, the policy begins to pay out for your care. The best traditional long-term care insurance policies offer a wide range of benefits, from home health care and assisted living to nursing home care. A key benefit of these plans is that the premiums are often tax-deductible, and the benefits you receive are generally tax-free. However, there is one common concern with these policies: the use it or lose it factor. If you pay premiums for years and never need long-term care, the money is gone. This leads us to the second and increasingly popular option. 2. Hybrid long-term care insurance, life insurance with long-term care rider. This is what many are now calling the future of long-term care planning. A hybrid long-term care policy combines a life insurance or annuity product with a long-term care benefit. The key benefit here is that it's not use it or lose it. You have 3 options. 1. You need long-term care, and the policy pays out for your care. 2. You don't need long-term care, and a death benefit is paid to your beneficiaries upon your passing. Or 3. You can surrender the policy and get a portion of your premiums back. This flexibility is why these policies are gaining so much traction. Now, a question I get all the time is, why would I choose a hybrid policy over a traditional one? For many people, the guaranteed death benefit or return of premium provides incredible peace of mind. It's a way to ensure that you get value from your investment, no matter what happens. The premiums for hybrid plans can sometimes be a bit higher than traditional plans, but they are often guaranteed not to increase, which is a major concern for many people with older traditional policies. Finding the best hybrid long-term care plan means looking for a provider with strong financial ratings and flexible benefit options. Part 3. Key factors for choosing the right plan in 2026. Now that you know the types of policies, let's talk about what to look for when you are comparing options. This is where you can save a significant amount of money and ensure you get the right coverage. When you are looking for the best long-term care insurance companies in 2026, here are the 5 most critical factors to consider. 1. Your age and health. This is the #1 driver of your premium. The younger and healthier you are when you buy a policy, the lower your premium will be for life. People often ask, what is the ideal age to buy long-term care insurance? Most financial experts agree that somewhere between ages 55 and 65 is the sweet spot. Wait too long, and pre-existing health conditions can make you ineligible or drive your costs through the roof. The cost for a 65-year-old is often double or triple what it is for a 55-year-old. 2. The daily or monthly benefit amount. This is the maximum amount your policy will pay per day or per month for your care. It's crucial to research the average cost of long-term care in your specific area and choose a benefit amount that will adequately cover those costs. For example, if a nursing home costs $400 a day in your city, you'll want a policy with at least a $400 daily benefit. You can always choose a lower amount to save on premiums, but be prepared to cover the difference out of pocket. 3. The elimination period. This is your waiting period. It's the number of days you must pay for your own care out of pocket before the insurance company begins to reimburse you. Common options are 30, 60, or 90 days. A shorter elimination period means higher premiums, while a longer one will lower your costs. Choosing the right elimination period depends on your personal financial situation and how much you can comfortably pay for care before your policy kicks in. 4. The Inflation Protection Rider. This is arguably the most vital feature for any policy purchased in 2026. The cost of care is not static, it's increasing every year. An inflation protection rider automatically increases your daily benefit over time, typically by 3% or 5% compounded annually, to keep pace with rising costs. This is the difference between a policy that is still valuable in 20 years and one that's nearly useless. Don't skip this. Finding a long-term care insurance plan with inflation protection is non-negotiable for anyone planning for the long term. 5. The company's financial strength. You are entering into a decades-long contract with an insurance company. You need to be absolutely certain they will be around to pay your claims. Always check the financial strength ratings from agencies like AM Best, Moody's, and Standard & Poor's. Look for companies with high ratings, such as A+ or A++. Part 4. Top long-term care insurance providers in 2026. Now, you're probably asking, so, who are the top players in the market right now? While I can't endorse any specific company, I can tell you about some of the ones that are consistently ranked highly in 2026 for their policies and financial stability. These are the names you will likely encounter in your research for the best long-term care insurance quotes. For traditional policies, companies like Mutual of Omaha and Thrivent are often at the top of the list. They have a long history in the long-term care market, strong financial ratings, and offer comprehensive, customizable plans. Mutual of Omaha, for example, is a leader in this space with their flexible mutual care solutions line. In the hybrid market, you'll see names like Nationwide, New York Life, and Lincoln Financial. Nationwide's Care Matters product is a popular choice for its flexibility and premium guarantees. New York Life consistently receives top-tier financial strength ratings, giving policyholders exceptional peace of mind. And Lincoln Financial offers a unique product called MoneyGuard that is also highly regarded. Remember, the best long-term care insurance policy isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. The right plan for you will depend on your health, your financial situation, and your personal preferences. The goal is to compare policies from several different carriers to find the best fit. Part 5. Final advice and your next steps. So, what's your next move? Start the conversation with your family and a qualified financial advisor. Don't wait until you are facing a health crisis. The single biggest mistake people make is waiting too long. Take action now while you are healthy and the costs are manageable. Get educated, compare policies, and make an informed decision for your financial security and your family's future. Protecting your retirement savings from the potentially catastrophic costs of long-term care is one of the most important financial decisions you can make. This is your wake-up call. Don't let uncertainty dictate your future. Take control of your financial security today. You've earned a secure and dignified retirement, and a solid long-term care insurance plan is the key to preserving it. If you found this information valuable, please consider this your personal invitation. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next value-packed video on healthcare and insurance planning. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of your financial future, and we have so much more to share on health and wellness. And while you're at it, click that thumbs up button to give us a like. It's a small, simple action that makes a huge difference and lets us know we're bringing you vital free information that you appreciate. And I want to hear from you. Comment below and say, "This was helpful and I love this video." Your feedback helps us create more content that empowers you. And finally, a very important disclaimer. The information in this video is for equipping, educating, and empowering, and is not professional financial or legal advice. Please consult with a qualified professional before making any financial or insurance decisions.